Knee pain is something that's very common today. There are two different rules of thought in the medical world. One is that everything originates from your spine, and the nerves come out from the spine and your either in your lower spine or your upper spine to go to your arms and legs. Now, the idea with the spine being the center of your whole body, if any of those nerves get pinched or they get locked up, it causes pain all the way down your legs or all the way down your arms. The other school of thought is the body works as a chain. So it goes from your feet all the way up to your spine. So in this way, different things like different structure, the way that you move, the way that you pick up things, the habits you develop growing up, all make a difference in your pain and your recovery. So for example, for me personally, when I was in the military, my knees got really messed up so bad that I would wake up in the morning and collapse. I could barely walk. When I was towards the end of my tour, going up and down stairs was almost impossible. I had to crawl up and down the stairs. After 6 months of starting Tai Chi, I was able to walk up and down the stairs again, but I was still pretty bad. It wasn't until I met a physical therapist that was able to show me what was causing the issue that I was able to fix my knees a lot more. They will never be perfect, but they're a lot better. I can deal with them. I can do a lot of things I couldn't do back in those days. And the problem I was having is when I was walking, my toes would point out. And just by the fact that my toes were pointing out, the muscles were wearing unevenly in my knees. The outside of my legs were getting stronger than the inside, and it was causing my knee to pull outward, and that was causing the pain because the muscles around the knee weren't supporting properly. Once I made it where my toes were pointing straight when I was walking, pain was almost gone. I could even run short distances without feeling pain. I would have to do something stupid like a lot of impact, jumping, falling, things like that, in order for my knees to start hurting again. Or of course when they do muscle testing, that aggravates them really bad. But my knees are a lot better. What I'm going to do today is show a little routine that I've developed with my physical therapy training, and also with the Tai Chi I've been doing. I worked as a physical therapy technician for about a year, and these are different things that I've developed by helping other people with their knee pain, also with dealing with my own. Thank you.
you.